My name is Emma McKinley and I work for the Clerks of Courtneys, teaching Miss Arabella and Miss Elizabeth. In Victorian schools there was no such thing as active learning and code of conduct cards. Back those days it was the 3 R's: reading, writing and arithmetics. Canes, belts and dunces kit were used to punish and humiliate pupils. Thank goodness methods have moved on.